Some important items to bring each day. Make sure that you're sending your child's computer charger every day, just in case it dies during the day. They can just plug it in, hook up to the charger, and still be able to access their reading and math online activities for the day. Also, their headphones. Their headphones need to stay in their backpacks. Don't take those out. If you take them out at home, just make sure they're going back in their backpacks each day. Everyone has to have their headphones to be able to use their computer. A water bottle and a snack. We go to recess 2 times per day, and it's really hot, in the summer and the fall. It's still pretty warm, so we want to make sure that they're staying hydrated. We cannot use the water fountains this year. We are just using those bottle refill stations, so a water bottle is very important to send each day with your child so they can stay hydrated. And then a daily snack. We eat breakfast at 8 a.m. in the morning, and then our lunch is not until 1:20, so it's a big gap between there. So we want to make sure we have a little snack to keep them going from breakfast until we make it to lunch.